Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to fake a big plum lips. If you're not here, hit the subscribe button. Do well to hit the subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up, like the video. Now let's go straight into the video. So before I start off any makeup, I moisturize my lips. Very important. Moisturize with a gloss, a clear gloss. And if I want a matte look, I go ahead and clean up the gloss after applying the makeup. But if I don't want a matte look, I will apply the lipstick on the gloss. So the number one secret of having a very plump, big fake lips is overlining. Use a pencil and overline your lips. Today I'm going in with this brown shade, this brown pencil. Overline the top, overline the bottom, to give it that full effect. And if you are using a lipstick to, because you can actually use a lipstick to line your lips, you should have to take your time so that it won't look nasty. But I think it's easier to use a pencil to line your lips than a lipstick. So you go overboard. That's what I mean by overlining. You go overboard your lines, your mouth lines. I'm now filling it in, using the same pencil to fill it in. I'm trying to blend it together. I apply a blend because, as I always say in makeup, blending is actually very important. It's actually coming up pretty well. I wanted that ombre effect, but I changed my mind later. I now go in with the lipstick. Okay, I use the back of the pencil, since it's a personal pencil, to blend it in. After blending it in, and I then go in with the lipstick, the lip stain. And when applying the lip stain, you don't make it come over the place I outline. You blend it in again. You can go in with the pencil to reapply the color, or you blend it. It depends on the choice. You cannot actually blend it with your finger. If you want to add gloss, you can add gloss now. If you want that glossy effect, I needed that matte effect. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with anybody think it will be helpful. Until the next video, bye.